Hi, I'm Laurel Guy, and today we are visiting Amish Country at 2835 County Road 139 in Ovid, New York. And we are literally in the center of the Finger Lakes region, betwixt and between Cayuga Lake and Seneca Lake, and close to Ithaca, Trumansburg, and Watkins Glen. You living here, you're going to be a hop skip from everything we love best about the Finger Lakes, including the breweries and the wineries. You'll love this Greek Revival Farmhouse with a beautiful pond, apple and maple trees, and breathing room. Best of all, it's had a Down-to-the-Studs renovation with custom finishes. It has great natural light, a flexible layout, and many entertaining spaces, both inside and out. It's an ideal home for working remotely with dedicated office space and robust internet. Beautifully updated tile baths, main level laundry. Upstairs is a posh primary suite with walk-in closet and 2 more bedrooms. (2835) County Road 139 in Ovid, New York. Every square inch has been made new again. It's ready for your family's new chapter.